Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. My dear tiny students, let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Good manners will open doors that the best education cannot. In this thought, we are going to learn that manners plays an important role in our life. Though you are well educated, but less of good manners, then it doesn't any means. So, improve good manners in your life. Now tell me, how are you all? Fine? Safe? Enjoying online studies? So, as you all know that from previous lecture, we have started chapter 11, handling data. You can see the image of a park here. Don't you love going to the park to play? Have you observed that? How many swings are in the park? Are all the slides the same height, or are some higher than others? Do you run around in circles while playing with your friends? So, what we are going to learn in this lesson? First of all, you must become familiar with the word handling data. What does it means by? What is the importance of handling data? Or how can we collect the data? Let us see. DATA, data. HANDLING, handling. REFERS, refers. TO2, THE, the. PROCESS, process. OF, off. GATHERING, gathering. RECORDING, recording. and. PRESENTING, presenting. INFORMATION, information. ININ, WAY, way. THAT, that. I as is. HELP, FUL, helpful. TO2, OTHERS, others. FOR, INSTANCE, instance. ININ, GRAPHS, graphs. OR, or. CHARTS, charts. Data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording, and presenting information in a way that is helpful to others. For instance, in graphs or charts. See, we already have solved this yesterday. So, we are going to make a quick revision for the same. As you all can observe that this is the image which contains some fruits. We have to collect individual data. What does it means by? See, there is a table given below. Also, we have image of fruits. So, we have to count individual number of fruits. Complete the data table. First, we have to count the strawberries. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. Then we have to collect the data of cherries. How many cherries are there? 1, 2, and 3. Now, let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bananas. Then we have to find out how many pears are there. You can see there are 2 pears. There remains watermelon. Let us see how many watermelons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, my dear students, the process which we have completed in this table is called collecting data. This is very useful mostly in every office. To collect the data, gather it, record it will be useful in household work, in school, everywhere. Now see, which image is there? This is the image of a park. Who likes to visit the park? Look, there are slides, swings, seesaw, and yes, of course, The garden or park is covered with greenery. It has colorful flowers also. Now you all have 1 minute to observe the image. Observe the image carefully and collect the data in your mind. For example, how many swings are there? How many seesaw, slides? Observe. Have you collected data? Let us see. How many of each? Look at the picture and count. Fill in the boxes. So, first you can see image of a swing. What does it means by? See, there is a blank box beside that swing. So, you have to observe the picture given, count the swings. See how many swings are there? You can see that a girl and a boy sitting on a swing. Also, 2 swings are empty. One, two, three, 4. In this image, there are 4 swings. Now, you can see the image of a seesaw. What does it means by? It means you have to observe the image and find out number of swings present in this image. Observe it carefully. See how many seesaws? There is 1 seesaw. Look, 4 children are sitting on that seesaw. Now, there is an image of slide. Which means we have to count number of slides present in given image. Look at the picture. We can see one pink color slide is empty. Then on an orange color slide there is a girl sliding with a smiling face. We can see that there are 1 and 2 slides. Now we have an image of a tulips, a pink color. Look. That means we have to find out number of tulips present in given image. Who wants to count it? I am waiting for a while so that you all can count number of tulips by yourself. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 tulips in this image. My dear students, here we have collected the data. If we want to count more, then we can count number of children present in the image. Count it. I am waiting and giving you some time so that you all can count. How many children are present in the given image? Let's count it. Look, 4 children sitting on a seesaw. 4, then 2 are on the swing. 4 and 2, 6. One girl is on the slide. 7. And one boy is playing in a sand. So, 8. We can say that there are 8 children present in the park. Is it enough? Or we can do something more? Think about it. What is your quick observation? What do you think? Which data is there which we can collect? Yes, we can find out number of boys present in the image as well number of girls present in the image. You want to try? Try about it. I'm giving you some time. First of all, let's count the girls. Now look at the picture properly. Two girls are sitting on the seesaw. One girl is on the slide and one girl is on a swing. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can say that there are 4 girls in this image or picture. What about the boys? Would you like to count it by yourself? I'm waiting. You can count. See, 2 boys are sitting on a seesaw. One boy is on a swing. One boy is playing in a sand. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 boys in this picture. So, my dear students, here we understand how to collect the data or record the data. In next lecture, we will learn about handling data more with some more exercise. Till then, make practice about every subject. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.